Hi my dear 4th class children, how are you ma? Today let us start the lesson in objective way. Textbook open. If you have textbook open amma. Will you have textbook? Do you have textbook? Open textbook. Page number 11. Lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. Lesson explanation completed no children. Page number 11 open. Here they asking write any one function of the following. Okay, root, stem, leaf and flower. Okay, what is the main function of the root? What is the main function of the root amma? It absorbs water and nutrients from the soil and fix the plant bound into the soil. Okay children, what is the main function of the root? Absorbs water. Three functions actually, root has three functions: absorption, storage and fixation. Okay, they are asking only one function. Okay, what is the main function of the root? Absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Next, stem. Okay, they are asking only one function of the stem. Stem gives support to the plant, and also what is the main function of the stem? It carries water and food. Okay, and to the other parts of the plant. What is the main function of the leaf? It prepares the food. Yes children, it prepares the food for the plant. The main function of the flower, it provides food for bees and insects. Flower is the reproductive organ of a plant, no children. Yes, flower is the reproductive organ of a plant and also provides food for insects. Okay, go to the next page. Page number 14. Page number 14 open amma. They are asking 4 blanks. Here they given 4 blanks. Okay, I will ask you questions. Listen my question and tell the answer. Okay, fill in the blanks. Page number 14. If you have textbook, open page number 14. First question. Okay, first question for you. Listen carefully and tell the answers. Plants prepare food in the form of plants prepare food. That prepared food is called simple sugar or glucose. Right, first one, simple sugar. Okay, plants prepare food in the form of sugar, simple sugar. Okay, right, sugar. Okay, sugar. Okay, or glucose. Okay, and simple sugar is nothing but glucose. Okay, and next go to the next question. Photosynthesis takes place in dash leaves. Photosynthesis takes place in brown color leaves or green color leaves. Yes, you are right. Green leaves. Okay, photosynthesis takes place only in green leaves because green leaves contain green pigment that is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the sunlight for making food. Okay, so now third question. See. The extra food already I said number of times. The extra food prepared by plants is stored in the form of extra food. What we call the extra food? Plants store extra food in the form of starch. STARCH starch. STARCH starch. And go to the next question, fourth question. Leaves of most plants are green due to the presence of a substance called, you know well, what is that green substance? Yes, you are right, chlorophyll. CHLORO. Chloro means green. Fill means leaf. Chlorophyll gives green color to the leaf. Okay, next page, page number 15. They given true or false for you. Okay, only they given 4 true or false for you. 4 questions amma. I am reading first question. Keep concentration on the question. Okay, first question. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Is it right? Is it true or false? Yes, it is a true. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. So that's why this is the okay, page number 15 only. This is the true only. Okay, now next question. The leaf has many main veins. The leaf has how many veins? Only one main vein. The leaf has only one main vein, but here they given many main veins. That's why this is the false. side veins. Now third question, a leaf helps the plant to breathe through stomata. Is it true? Is it true? Leaf helps the plant to breathe through stomata. Stomatas are present in the leaves only. Stomatas are present underside of the leaf. So is it true or false? It is a true. Okay, leaves breathe through stomata only. Stomatas are present under surface of the leaf. Okay, now next question, fourth question. The side vein is also called midrib. Side vein is also called side vein only. Okay, the center of the leaf, one thick line is present, that is called midrib. Okay, that's why this is the fall. The side vein is called midrib, falls. Okay, midrib, falls. Right, F-A-L-S-E, falls. Okay, next here. Okay, they are asking guess my name. Guess my name. Day before yesterday I taught about these unusual plants or interesting plants. See here, read. I get my food from dead and decaying. Who is that? I get my food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Who is that? Who is that? What is that? Yes, it is right. It is the mushroom. Mushroom gets food from dead and decaying matter. Mushroom is a non-green plant. It don't have chlorophyll. So what is the right answer? I get my food from dead and decaying matter. That is the mushroom. That is the mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Okay, next question. Go to next question. The color of my leaves is dark red. Crotons, some crotons have colored leaves. Some crotons have colored leaves. So what is the answer? Croton. Colored leaves. Croton plants have colored leaves. Next question you know well. My leaves are reduced to spines. Leaves are modified to spines. What is that? Cactus. What is that? Cactus plant leaves are modified into spines. Okay. Next question. Next page number 16. Open page number 16. Open here. Some blanks are given. Okay. Plants use dash water and carbon dioxide to make food. Plants use water, carbon dioxide, and what do they need? Sunlight. Okay na? So plants use sunlight for making food. Already they given carbon dioxide and water. Okay, here what is missing here? Sunlight only. So the food prepared by plants is eaten by animals and human beings. The food prepared by plants is eaten by other animals and human beings. Blank to see here. Animals and human beings breathe out. Animals and human beings. We are human beings, no children. What we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Okay na? So and which goes into that carbon dioxide goes into the air. Okay, our atmosphere, and used by who are using the carbon dioxide from the air? Green plants only. Okay na? So carbon dioxide. Okay na? So first one, carbon dioxide, spelling is very tough. Write carefully. Carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide which goes into the air. Who will take the carbon dioxide from the air? Green plants only. Okay na? Green plants use the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere or air. Okay, you have to write air or atmosphere. Okay, page number 17 open. Here they given 4 blanks for you. Okay, I am reading first question. You have to put more concentration what I am reading. Okay, first question, fill in the blanks. Okay, the green color of a plant's leaf due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, what is that? Chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O, chloro, P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Green substance is called chlorophyll. Yes, go to the next question. Page number 17. The extra food prepared by plants stored in root, stem, leaves and fruits. Okay, the extra food stored in roots. Plants store extra food in the form of star is stored in roots, stems, okay, roots, stems and leaves, okay, and leaves. Okay, plants to store extra food in the root, stem, okay, and leaves. Third question, see here ma. During the photosynthesis, dash is released into the atmosphere. What is the byproduct of photosynthesis? Yes, you are right. That is the oxygen. Okay, oxygen. This is the byproduct of photosynthesis. So during the process of photosynthesis, all green plants release oxygen. Okay, that oxygen also mix into the air. Is it clear? Now, true or false? Okay, shall I read question? Are you listening? Okay, listen. First question, true or false? The process of food making in plants is called photosynthesis. Is it true or false? The process of making food is called photosynthesis only. That's why this statement is true. Okay, this is the correct. Next question, croton is a non-green plant. Croton is a non-green plant. No, chlorophyll is also there. But croton leaves red color. No, red color substance hide the green color substance. Chlorophyll is also there in crotons. Okay na? So croton is a non-green plant. False. Okay, they do contain chlorophyll. Yes, children. Now, next question. See, green plants may prepare their food in the leaves without presence of sunlight. False. All green plants need sunlight for making food. Without sunlight, they cannot make their food. Now, fourth question. Mushrooms prepare food by photosynthesis. Are they prepare food? No, they are non-green plants. They don't have chlorophyll. How can they prepare food? They are not at all prepare food. Yes, children. So mushroom prepare food by photosynthesis. False. Okay. And fifth question. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by plant during the day. We and animals breathe out carbon dioxide, no children. Okay, and which is absorbed by plants during the daytime. Is it a true or false? It is a true. It is a true. Okay, children. Is it clear? Okay. And give one word answers for the following, Amma. Okay, see here. Here they given one word answers for you. One word answers. I am reading question. You are telling the answer. The process by which food is made by plants. Food is made by plants. What is that process name? What is the name of that process? Photosynthesis. Okay. So photosynthesis. Photo means light. Photosynthesis. Synthesis means to combine or putting together. So photosynthesis spelling is very hard. Okay, you have to write very carefully. Don't write any spelling mistake. Okay, photosynthesis. Now next question. Plants need this gas from the air. From the air. From the air. Plants to take one gas from the atmosphere or air for making food. What is that? Yes, carbon dioxide. So plants to need carbon dioxide for making food, not for breathing. Carbon dioxide for making food only. Plants to take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Is it clear? Plants to take carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide, that is mixed into the atmosphere or air. Plants to take carbon dioxide from the air for making food, for preparing food, that is called carbon dioxide. Now the green color pigment found in the leaves. Third question. Green color pigment found in the leaves. What is that? Chlorophyll. That is called chlorophyll. 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 Okay. Is it clear? Now go to next question. Part of the plant where food is made. Which part of the plant prepare food, Amma? Which part of the plant prepare food? Leaf only. Is it clear, ma? Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Okay. Okay. Textbook. Read the textbook. You have to read the textbook. Okay. You have to learn all these blanks. True or are all matching and one word answers, amma. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you new lesson, third lesson. Okay, stay home, stay healthy. See you later.